Hey everybody, it's Davita with WTI, and if you're on the hunt for a new TV and not sure which one to get, I really like this TV. This is the LG UHD 4K TV. Here it's in the 43 inch. I find the size to be absolutely perfect. What we use it for, it's great mounted on the wall. We have it in a bedroom, but of course I think it would be great in a living room as well. I love the crisp and clear quality. The colors, as you can see displayed here on the TV, are just so beautiful. They're very vibrant and it's easy to use. So the remote's actually pretty cool. It comes with a few different options. With just one click, you can get to Netflix. There's a button for Amazon Prime. There's also an option to have voice control, which we don't personally use, but if that's something you're interested in, then it's super easy. You just hold the button down and you can actually speak to it and give it commands. So I think that's really neat. So if you're looking for a new TV, I think this is a great one. We don't use a sound bar because the volume is so good on this TV. I'll insert a clip here. So I can't recommend this TV enough. I love it overall for its quality, the easy to use functions that it has. I'd recommend it to you guys, but that's just my point of view.